Welcome to our channel Herbology Haven. Today, we're diving into the world of gum arabic. Gum arabic, also known as acacia gum, is a natural gum derived from the sap of acacia trees, primarily found in Africa. This versatile substance has been used for centuries in a variety of applications, from food to medicine and even industrial products. But what makes gum arabic so special? In this video we'll explore the history, benefits, and wide-ranging uses of this remarkable ingredient. Gum arabic comes from the hardened sap of the acacia tree, a genus of plants found mainly in Africa and parts of the Middle East. The two most common species that produce gum arabic are Acacia senegal and Acacia sale. These trees thrive in arid environments, and their sap is harvested by carefully tapping the bark, allowing the gum to naturally flow out and harden over time. While Acacia senegal produces a higher quality of gum, Acacia sale also plays a significant role in global production. Each type of tree offers slightly different properties, but both are valued for their ability to yield gum arabic, a substance prized for its stability and solubility. Gum arabic is composed primarily of polysaccharides and glycoproteins, giving it its unique characteristics. It is water-soluble, making it an excellent emulsifier and stabilizer in a variety of applications. In addition to its functional properties, gum arabic is also packed with dietary fiber, contributing to its health benefits. The complex sugars in gum arabic give it its thickening ability, making it ideal for suspending particles in liquids. Its glycoprotein content also helps in forming a protective layer, especially useful in the food and beverage industry. Gum arabic is low in calories but rich in fiber, making it a popular ingredient for those looking to increase their fiber intake. It also contains trace amounts of minerals such as calcium and magnesium. One of the most notable benefits of gum arabic is its high fiber content. This makes it an excellent supplement for those looking to improve their digestive health, as fiber aids in the movement of food through the digestive tract. Gum arabic acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in the gut. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for overall wellness, and gum arabic helps to promote this balance. Some studies suggest that gum arabic may help regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of sugar in the intestines, making it a potential aid for those managing diabetes. As a prebiotic, gum arabic encourages the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut, which can improve digestion, enhance nutrient absorption, and even support immune function. Gum arabic is widely used in the food industry as an emulsifier, helping to blend ingredients that would otherwise separate. It's also a stabilizer, keeping products like soft drinks and candies from degrading over time. Many candies, especially gumdrops and marshmallows, contain gum arabic to achieve the desired texture and consistency. Its ability to keep ingredients together makes it a go-to choice for confectionaires. In the beverage industry, gum arabic prevents sugar from crystallizing in soft drinks, ensuring a smooth, consistent texture. It also stabilizes juices, keeping particles suspended and evenly distributed. Gum arabic is used as a binding agent in pharmaceuticals, helping to hold tablets and capsules together. Its non-toxic and non-reactive nature makes it an ideal ingredient in medical formulations. In the cosmetic industry, gum arabic is valued for its ability to form films and improve the texture of products such as lotions and creams. It's also used in hair sprays to provide a flexible hold. Gum arabic is used in the production of watercolors and inks, providing smooth application and enhancing color vibrancy. It also improves the longevity of prints by acting as a protective layer. For centuries, gum arabic has been used in traditional medicine and food preparations in Africa and the Middle East. It is often added to teas or consumed as a health supplement. Traditional remedies often utilize gum arabic for its soothing properties, particularly in the treatment of sore throats and digestive issues. Harvesting gum arabic is a labor-intensive process that involves careful tree management. Farmers tap the trees without causing long-term harm, allowing the trees to continue producing gum for many years. The global demand for gum arabic has raised concerns about ethical sourcing. Fair trade practices ensure that farmers receive fair compensation for their labor, helping to sustain both the environment and local communities. Scientific research supports the role of gum arabic in promoting gut health. Studies have shown that it can enhance the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, contributing to overall digestive wellness. Emerging research suggests that gum arabic may also have a positive impact on blood sugar and cholesterol levels, making it a potential tool for managing diabetes and heart health. In recent years, gum arabic has been explored as a material for 3D printing, particularly in the food industry, where it helps to create complex edible structures. As food technology advances, gum arabic continues to be a crucial ingredient in developing new food products, from plant-based alternatives to innovative snacks. While gum arabic is generally considered safe, some individuals may experience allergic reactions. It's important to consult a healthcare professional before adding it to your diet if you have known sensitivities. Moderation is key when consuming gum arabic. For most people, up to 10 grams per day is considered safe and beneficial. Gum arabic has been approved as a food additive by major food safety organizations, including the FDA and the European Food Safety Authority (EFSA), confirming its safety for consumption. There are strict international standards governing the quality and purity of gum arabic, ensuring that consumers receive a safe, high-quality product. Gum arabic can be used at home to thicken sauces, stabilize homemade beverages, or even create DIY candy. Its versatility makes it a valuable addition to any pantry. For those interested in natural beauty, gum arabic can be added to homemade lotions and masks, providing a natural thickening agent and improving texture. Gum arabic is widely available through online retailers and health food stores. It's essential to look for high-quality, food-grade gum arabic to ensure safety and effectiveness. When purchasing gum arabic, look for products that are labeled as food-grade, organic, or fair trade to ensure you're getting the best quality for your needs. Let's discuss some frequently asked questions. Is gum arabic safe to consume? Yes, gum arabic is generally recognized as safe by food safety authorities, but it's always best to consume it in moderation. Can gum arabic help with weight loss? While gum arabic is high in fiber and can promote a feeling of fullness, it should be part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle for weight management. How does gum arabic improve gut health? Gum arabic acts as a prebiotic, feeding beneficial gut bacteria and supporting a healthy digestive system. Are there vegan alternatives to gum arabic? Yes, other plant-based gums such as guar gum and xanthan gum can be used as vegan alternatives in many applications. How is gum arabic different from other emulsifiers? Gum arabic is unique due to its natural origin, high solubility, and ability to stabilize products without altering taste or texture. Gum arabic is an incredibly versatile and beneficial natural ingredient that has been used for centuries. Whether you're looking to improve your gut health, stabilize your homemade creations, or explore its industrial applications, this remarkable substance offers endless possibilities. With its rich history, health benefits, and modern-day uses, gum arabic truly is nature's versatile ingredient. Thank you for joining us at Herbology Haven. If you enjoyed this deep dive into gum arabic, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more explorations into the world of natural health. See you in the next video.